The times are changing. People now in offices, working for the man, that's no different from the factories of the Industrial Revolution. And change is coming, and you can own your career and you can build this global business from your bedroom if you want to. I'm Tzuki. I live in London. I'm working at a host company at the moment called FinCap. I work with the CEO there, which is fantastic. I'm part of the latest cohort of NEF. I've always had an itch. I think I've always had a sense of wanting to do something really, really big with my time on the planet. I've just never yet found the role that gives me that. So I think I'm going to have to create it for myself. And the NEF is a huge part of that for me. The standout for me is the cohort and the network that you become a part of. And you're kind of parachuted into this world where everyone around you is wanting to start up as well. I once read that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And I think that's so true. If you spend time with 5 brilliant, inspiring, go-getting people, you're just going to raise your game a bit. I mean, at the moment, I guess what I'm personally struggling with is trying to balance going out to work and studying and being the mum I want to be. What drives me? I think changing the face of entrepreneurship for women. And I hope I am the last generation to be talking about this, but the landscape is not good when you look at the data. 9% of VC funding went to women last year. If you look at the FTSE 100, 7 firms are led by women. And I'm not going to solve these problems, but I want to fuel the ambition of other women and other mothers if I can in my own small way. And I want to fuel Alexandra's ambitions. And if I can be part of bringing that about, I'll have lived my life well.